Question 15, we've got to factorise a squared minus b squared and then show that 2 to the 40 minus 1 is the product of two consecutive odd numbers. And just as a clue, the result of part A is a big clue into solving part B. Let's have a go at it. So part A, this, as comes up very often, is the difference of two squares and factorises very easily to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Here's your a squared, here's your negative b squared, and this is ba and this is minus ba, so the underneaths disappear. Now with that knowledge, let's have a look at part B. And we've got 2 to the 40 minus 1. Now that's also the difference of two squares, one being a square. So this will break down into, this will be 2 to the 20, the square root of 2 to the 40, and this will be 2 to the 20, and this will be plus 1 and minus 1. So, are these the product of two consecutive odd numbers? Well, yes, they are, because 2 to the 20 in both cases is even. And if you add 1 to 2 to the 20, 2 to the 20 plus 1 is odd. So this guy is odd, and 2 to the 20 minus 1 is also odd. So this second term is odd. And those are the two results they wanted.